Now we are going to discuss about the topic of mode. In mode there will be three terms, one normal method, discrete method and continuous method. In normal method only x values will be given. In x values he has given 10, 20, 30, 10, 50, 10. Mode is given as which number is repeated most number of times, that will be the mode. Here 10 is repeated 3 times, so mode equal to 10. This is the normal method. In discrete method x values will be given and frequency will be given. To find the mode in the discrete method, highest frequency will be the mode. So here 12 is the highest frequency, so opposite to 12 x value is 7, so mode equal to 7 in discrete method. Mode in continuous method. In continuous method marks x equal to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Given frequency 3, 5, 8, 9, 7. In continuous method highest frequency is 9, so you have to round off this. This will become f1, down will become f2, above highest frequency will become f0. Formula to find the mode in continuous method is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into w. So here L lower limit is 30. Mode z equal to L is 30 plus f1 is 9 minus f0 is 8 by 2 into f1, 2 9 is 18 minus f0 8 minus f2 7 into w is width of the class. Width of the class is into 10. Z equal to 30 plus 3 into 10. Z equal to 10 by 3. Z equal to 30 plus 3.33. Z equal to 33.3.